how to make money on Upwork with translation services. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the get started button to create our account. So here, choose to join as a freelancer, then click on apply as a freelancer. Then you will proceed to setting up your account. You fill the usual information, first name, last name, email, and so on. Then click on yes, I understand and agree to these terms. And for me, I'm just going to log in because I've already created my account. As you can see, this is my email. Continue with email, and here the password. Click on login to proceed to setting up my profile. So here, this is the last step of setting up the profile. That's why I'm going to go back to start from the first step, just to make sure that you do not miss anything in this tutorial. So here, let's get started by clicking on the get started button here, and you'll have some questions to go through. I'm just going to skip these questions for now. Skip for now. Same thing with those. And here for these boxes, make sure to check them all. Then click on next to create a profile. And here you have 3 options to choose from. If you already have a resume in LinkedIn, a ready resume, you can just import it and it will be easier. And if you have one, you can upload it. And if these two options are not possible for you, just follow me to fill out the resume manually. It will take less than 15 minutes. So here, start a new profile. Type your skill. It's translation services. Translation services. And then click on next to add your experience. So here you can just click on the plus button and you fill the information about the work experience. After that, click on next to add your education. I'm going to click skip because I left it empty. Same thing with education as well. Fill the information in here. And then you will have the languages. So guys, if you can't speak English or write in English, you will have a big problem in making money in this platform. So I suggest to go improve your English, then come back and try to make money. So here you choose your level in English, conversational for me, and here you add another language if you have one. For example, Arabic for me, my level is native. Then click on next to add your skills. So here, let's go with translation. You can add up to 15 skills. Then you will proceed to write a bio for your profile. So guys, possible clients, when they enter our profile, the two first things that they notice is the profile picture and the bio, as you can see. So just pay attention to the bio, guys, and make sure to enter a good bio in order to sell your services or in order to sell your skills. So for example, you can just go to ChatGPT and it will give you a good bio, but you will need to make some adjustment to it, make it customized for you. Try to change some things, try to add some customized or some information about you, and it will be a good bio. And for me to save time, I'm not going to go to ChatGPT, so I'm just going to copy Marty's bio. So sorry Marty, then click on next to choose your category. Here this suggested one to us, so I'm going to use this one. Then click on next to set the price of your hour. Let's go with $20 for example, and here Upwork will take $2 from that and they will leave $18 for us. Then click on next to add your photo and location. So here just fill this information, and for the photo make sure to upload a good photo or a professional photo for your profile. Show clients the best version of yourself. Must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed. So just keep that in mind and make sure to make a professional picture for your profile. And after you're done with creating your profile, click on review. And after that, if you need to improve your profile, I'm going to show you how you can do that. So just pay attention to what I'm going to show you next. And I'm going to show you how you can get clients as well. So here, let's just go to the home page. Click on find work button in here. This one. And here you'll have 3 options to choose from: ways to earn, find work for your skills, win work with ads. So let's go to the middle one, which is find work for your skills. And this is how you can find work easily. You'll come to this search box and you type your skill, and you will see all of the listed jobs that are requesting this special skill. So with translation, and let's see what we can find. So there is no matching results. Let's go to writing and translation, and here English to Dutch translator, easy writer, we have 80 results found. Let's go with Arabic translators and writer. So here we have 38 Arabic translation jobs posted on Upwork. So you can apply for whatever job you'd like. This one is for $100. And we have another one for $400, another one. So you can apply for whatever job you like. And in order to improve your profile, just search for competitors in your niche, translators just like you, and just copy from their profile, see what is working for them, and copy it to your profile and see if it's going to work for you. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.